Today we're going to show you how you can easily dry flowers inside books. Hi and welcome back. If you're like us, you like to save everything, and that includes flowers. And it's so easy to dry flowers without spending any money because you'll have most of this stuff on hand already. So the first step when you're drying flowers is to go through them and pick out the best buds and flowers that aren't too wilted or past the point where they just don't look very nice anymore. And then you'll decide how long you want the flowers. You can cut the stems as long or short as you like. Just depends on what you're going to be using them for. These ones here are going to be used for some card making tutorials coming up on our channel, so I'm going to cut them down a little on the short side. Okay, and these are looking great. Next, take some waxed paper and cut it so that it will fit into a book when you fold it in half. Now arrange your flowers so that they're not touching. And close the book up carefully so that the flowers don't move around. These are gonna look so good, you guys. And now you're just going to stack some more heavy books onto these ones and let them sit for 3 weeks. And after 3 weeks, they'll be nice and dry. Let's take a peek and see how these turned out. These are so pretty. They're just so perfect. There's just so many uses for dried flowers. You can use them for card making, ornaments, gift wrapping, or decoupage them onto something. If you're looking for some more ideas on how to use dried flowers, we created a Pinterest board full of creative ideas on what you can use dried flowers on, and I'll leave that link below for you. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Till next time, have a beautiful day, everyone.